Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find Gallery on Oppo A60. There is no app that is called Gallery, however there are some alternatives. The first one that is placed by default in the home screen is Photos over here. We can use it in order to quickly access photos and videos. We can also switch to albums and so on and so forth. We can also open the app drawer, so you can swipe from the bottom to the top in order to see the list of all apps, and then you can use for instance, Photos as well, but this one is made by Google. It works pretty similar, and we can allow notifications, we don't have to back up, and let's not allow organization. And over here we can also find all photos that we have on our device and videos as well. And last but not least, we also have Files app, also made by Google, which not only includes photos or videos, but also audio files, downloads, and so on and so forth. So over here we will find pretty much everything, every document, every photo, every file, which is also pretty convenient. Oh, and of course there's also My Files, that is, I believe, made by the Oppo producer. Well, anyway, it is installed by default as well, and it works pretty similar to the Files by Google. And we also have all kinds of categories like photos, videos, audio, and so on and so forth. Me personally, I prefer to use Files by Google, this one. So that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!